Here I have T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off camera location tags on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you have this option, save location. So okay, open, and like every time you want to enable camera location, you have to whether to open location tag, open. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can switch this camera location here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.